Good morning mga Dumplings! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is about Zongzi. In English, the sticky rice dumpling. So one of the traditional food here in Hong Kong during Dragon Boat Festival. So I'm gonna show you the two different sticky rice dumpling. So you should watch this. The two different kind of Zongzi or the sticky rice dumpling. So we have two ways of cooking Zongzi or the sticky rice dumpling, either boiling or steaming or steam it. So we will steam that here. So we will prepare the steamer. So make sure that there is a water inside. So yeah. So we need to steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Now we will remove the plastic of the Zongzi. So this is the special Zongzi. Okay. So we will put in a steamer, or we will steam it for 20 minutes. This is another Zongzi. Okay, we will steam it now and put in steamer. Okay. Now we will cover it. Okay, shine and drop. Okay, so we need to wait for 20 minutes. So, okay. So after 10 minutes, the Zongzi we will do it for another 10 minutes. Okay, we will cover it again. After 20 minutes, okay, it's cooked now. You can see that. Now we will turn it again. Okay. Now we will remove the string. Okay. This is the rib lips. Rib lips. So we will open that. Here is the dumplings, rice dumplings. Okay. This is the Zongzi. This is the two kinds of sticky rice dumpling. And the ingredients of this is the glutinous rice stuffed with different fillings and wrapped into bamboo leaves or the reed leaves. So, okay, this is the two kinds of Zongzi. Hello, I'm back. So I'm gonna share some trivia with regards to this sushi. The traditional Dragon Ball Festival celebrate during months of June, and when you ask some Chinese what they eat during Dragon Ball Festival, and they will answer you that, or they must include the sushi, or this is the two kind of sushi. Okay, we will try to taste it. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. The one sushi. So we will cut into half, and we will show you the inside. So here, gonna taste it. It's good. There's inside. Delicious. Wait, there's some meat inside. Delicious. That's good. Another bite. Delicious. This is the special Zongzi. That's good. I'm gonna try the other one. Okay. So this is the other sushi. Okay. Cut into half. Okay. So there is a nuts. Nuts. And the egg. Also the egg. That's good. Okay. Another meat. That's good. More nuts. Different kinds of flavor. This is a meat inside also. Delicious. Different flavors of different sushi. The two are both delicious. I'm gonna taste out of this. Delicious. If you love nuts, you must try this Zongzi. A lot of nuts. And try the peeling. The peeling is have a lot of nuts. And it's delicious. Another bit. Okay. Thanks for watching. The two Zongzi. Very delicious. Here in Hong Kong. Okay. See you on my next vlog.